B syndrome, points space between skin and muscles, Collet. Points. Points of transporting shoe points along the channels, below elbows and knees. 3 are particularly important in the pathogenesis and treatment of painful obstruction syndrome. The extreme shoe point is the point at which external pathogenic factors such as cold, dampness, and wind penetrate the channels. It is also the point of concentration of defensive chi. The river Jing point is the point from which pathogenic factors are deviated to joints and sinews, where they are settled. This is why pathogenic factors can settle in a joint for a long time without penetrating deeper and affecting the internal organs. The connecting loop points is the starting point of the connecting channel since this channel flows in this surface affecting muscles and sinews. The connecting points has an important application in the treatment of painful obstruction syndrome. Within the flow of chi dynamics, joints are important areas of convergence of chi and blood. Through joints, yin and yang chi meet. Exterior and interior converge and chi and blood enter and exit. Joints are also the places where pathogenic factor converge after penetrating the channels, causing obstruction to the flow of chi and hence local stagnation of chi and blood. This stagnation accounts for the pain caused by external pathogenic factors in painful obstruction syndrome. Invasion of pathogenic factor is made easier if the body condition is weak, leading to malnourishment of the joints. It is also made easier if the joints are weakened by overuse through work or certain sports. In these cases, the external pathogenic factors penetrate the body and settle in the joints more easily due to the pre-existing condition of deficiency of chi and blood. The space between skin and muscles, kulai. Finally, the anatomical entity kulai described in the ancient texts should be mentioned. The term kulai, kuli, is composed of 2 parts. Li indicates the stray of the skin, muscles, and internal organs. Ku refers to the space of cavities of the trifle burner. However, the most common meaning of ku is one of particular space, the space between the skin and muscles. It is with this last meaning that the term is used in the context of painful obstruction syndrome. The space between skin and muscles is the space where body fluids circulate, giving rise to sweat, and where defensive chi moves, protecting the body from external pathogenic factors. When the defensive chi is deficient and the body condition is weak, the space between skin and muscles is said to be open and thus prone to invasion of wind, cold, and dampness. Thank you for your attention.